experience captivating scenic views of Los Angeles from LA's very first park, Elysian Park. Join us on this 360 flight as we take off from Elysian Fields and fly towards Dodger Stadium. Special thanks to the Moza Guru 360 AIR, Insta360, Creator Up, and WISP Productions for making this 360 adventure possible. We begin our descent following the canyon, while passing over a trail of switchbacks leading to a playground. Currently, we are hovering and looking out towards Dodger Stadium, and off into the distance is downtown Los Angeles. Surrounding us is the whole of Elysian Park, LA's second largest park. It's a park that offers a cyclist a challenging road course, a disc golf course woven into the tree line, and plenty of shady picnic spots offering grand views of LA City's skyline. Off into the distance, tucked into a canyon, is the Los Angeles Police Academy. You might get to see it as we pull back towards Elysian Fields. During the weekdays, you might see the SWAT team members rappelling from a helicopter or hear police training at the Academy's shooting range. For those looking to capture stunning views of downtown LA, Elysian Park offers some of the best opportunities to gaze upon the city, sunrise or sunset. This video was created using the Insta360 Pro camera, a Moza Guru 360 AIR for stabilization, and an M600 drone. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave us a comment on the next place you'd like to join us on a 360 adventure.